this is going to be a small review video. I've had a couple videos already on Temu products, and I decided to roll the dice recently on this little setup that I've got right here, and we're going to test it out today. All I've done is this with it, so I take that back. The battery came about a week earlier. I've been using this on my actual DeWalt Impact. Great battery so far. I've charged it once, removed several wheels, and yeah, done a few other odds and ends with it. Let's see, and it's still got 2 bars. So it is a 12 amp. I'll put a link to this baby in the description, but let's see if this Impact will even remove tires. I actually bought this thinking it was a 3/8, but it is a half, and it's got a it's 1/4 inch. You can put a let's grab one. So you can just put one of these in there. Definitely did not buy it for that. I have 1/4 inch impacts already, but let's take the socket off of my other one. This one here's my baby. I use the crap out of this thing. This is what and this is the one that I was using the battery on, just an FYI. Is it even gonna go on there? Oh, there we go. Now you're probably wondering, what the hell did you buy this for, Shane? And that's fine, I understand, hear me out. So this is why I rolled the dice. Paid $25.37 for the battery and $25.75 for the Impact. As you can tell, I got them 8 days apart. Anyway, let's go ahead and give it a shot. I do know the battery is pretty solid. It seems to do just fine. Now, I literally just got done doing a video and I put the lug nuts back on with this. One thing that I failed to do was I was going to see what this thing's supposed to have for power. Maximum 600 foot-pounds. Okay, so this should be able to take these off. Most of why I got this, it's short, you can get in some places. Well, and then it's 25 bucks. So I thought this was able to change. Okay. Oops, wrong way. No, it isn't. All right, got it. Not nearly as good as the other one. Not bad for 25 bucks though, huh? I'm into this thing, 50 bucks. It uses the regular DeWalt charging stations. For a comparison, let me get my other one. Swap the battery back over to this one. This one here is on the medium level. I got the 1, 2, 3. 3's if you really need to put the beans to it. 1, let me show you what 1 does. It doesn't do much. It's for your light work. This spends most of its time on 2. So that's just a little comparison. I'm gonna go around and just make sure. What was this one here? So, you know, it ain't bad. It's not good, but it ain't bad. This is the first Impact I've had that had the hog ring on it. So kind of interesting to see how that goes. I usually get, what they call it, detent pin, or what the hell is that? Can't remember what they call it. I don't think that light did a whole bunch. All right, so we're gonna do a little redo on this because I just figured out. All right, so if you push this button, I'm assuming that's full beans right there, right? I don't know. Let's mess with that. I don't know what the setting was just a second ago, so let's see how this acts with the different settings. I put it on the green which I'm assuming means full beans. Okay, we'll put it on, all right, this is the middle setting. Yeah, it definitely feels like it has less. And then here is the lowest setting. Now let's try to do one of these that we put on with the other impact now. That doesn't do a damn thing, that button, I don't think. All right, back to the middle. And then this is what I think is full beans. Okay, I got an idea. I think these are supposed to be 100 foot-pounds. Let me get my torque wrench. We'll stick it on there. By the way, if you're wondering what this says on it, it says thin wall. The reason that I have this thin wall is the Cobra R's that were on this before had that little, it goes into a hole. And you need a thin wall to fit in those. Alright, I'm going to take this to a hundo. Alright, we're on 100 foot-pounds right here. So let's put this on here. Okay. Alright, well, it is tight enough. Now, just for the giggles, let's reel this up to 150. Now let's do 130. I want to see if we can tell what it hit at. We're on 130 right now. Let's see if this will click going in the backwards motion. Okay, it didn't hit 130. So let's bring her back down to 120 on this one here. Okay, didn't quite hit 120 with that. I don't know. I'm going to say it hit about 110 foot-pounds. So let's just try that. All right, here's 110. Let's see if it hit that. Okay, maybe. Okay, I think we hit about 110. Okay, so here's the end of the review. Is it as strong as it says? I don't think that's 600 foot-pounds. Can it get a lug nut off? I think that is kind of the bar that most people set their expectations at. They want to be able to remove their wheels. It's really something that I feel like I could maybe take on vacation with me. Just throw it in the back and be able to remove some stuff in an emergency. Anyway, thanks for watching another episode. I'll put links to these puppies in the description. It looks like the price has gone up just a skosh. So you might be into it about $70 now. I'm going to shut up now. See ya.